Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. As you know, the new Wicked update just dropped in Dress to Impress, and here through this video I'm going to show you a guide to finding every single secret that you might have missed in the new updates. So here are some of the secrets. So for the first one, if you're wondering where is the banana heels now in the new update, here you can just enter the Wicked items here, and if you click on this lantern here at the bottom, and it's like that, you'll get the banana heels. Now it's hidden under or inside the lantern. And next one, here you can also find the new Wicked set from here, this one in here, and it's also come with this cute shoes that you can put on. Here I'm going to show you the shoe. Okay, so this is how it will look like, and there's also an Alphaba shoes that you can put on here. Under the set you'll see this heels of Alphaba. It's kind of cute to combine those two. And then there are also items that you need that unlockable. The first one is this Alphaba's broom, and the second one is this Glinda's bubble. So what you need to get those two items is finish the mini quest or the special rounds that happens every 2 hours. So to get the Glinda's bubble, you need to pop 160 bubbles in the Bubbles Galore challenge. And to unlock the brooms, you need to jump on 85 green orbs in the special challenge. And the next secret here, you can go to the Lena salons and you can find the Alphaba cute doll. So if you go here, you'll see this cute doll in here. But when you try to put it on, it's changed into this dolls in here. And you can see you cannot get the doll, but that's pretty cute. And the next secret is that is a new pose pack. When you click on the pose in here, you'll see the Wicked pose pack in here, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 new poses from this pack. Alphaba apply, Linda, Lore, Toastos. What is this feeling? So yeah, that's the pose pack. And the last secret here. So if you go to the free play mode in here and go out to the lobby, and you can teleport to this Wicked lobby in here. So this is how it will look like. You'll see a clip of the Wicked movies, and here is how it will look like. And if you go here, you can also finish the orbs in here to do money farming, as you guys can see in here. And here there's also a secret treehouse that you can climb on. So if you go here, this is the treehouse. You can just go in here and you can climb up to the treehouse just like this, and you can enjoy the view from the top like this. So that's some of the secrets in the new DTI Wicked update. I hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.